today's coffee that I just made is not gonna appear in the rest of this video because it turns out that there was a crack in my very cute mug and it was just the coffee was leaking out. And well, that was all the coffee I made and it was all the creamer I had. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into today's Dollar Tree haul. It's pretty random, but I have some very epic finds. So let's just dive in. First things first, I got these glass bottles. I think I actually talked about this. Sorry, the lighting, the sun. Whoa. Whoa, love to see it, but okay, hopefully that's a little bit better. I think I talked about these bottles when I was in Florida, and I mentioned how I wanted to buy a bunch of these, but I knew I was moving, and so I just didn't waste my time with that because, you know, glass and all that stuff. And but I love these because they are glass, the healthiest option really in my opinion, to put water, milk, juices. Yes, you would need to have some sort of label for expiration dates for some of those things, but I did get mine for water. Next up, I picked up these really cute little hair charms. They are new, I've never seen them before. It's almost like, yeah, it almost kind of feels like an eraser of some sort, and I did get them for junk journaling. I just thought it'd be a cute, unique thing for that. I'm always trying to like look for, you know, unconventional items for junk journaling because it's like my obsession. Speaking of, it's time for y'all to start seeing this in my hauls again. It's been a minute. We took a break. It's back. And these are the popcorn bags. Probably one of my top favorite junk journal items ever. Something about this, and then like when you age it, it just looks so vintage. So I do work with this with junk journaling. I'll try to find a video where I use this. I'll link it down below, so you can kind of like see, in case you're wondering. All right, next up, I found this really cute bath sponge. It's like a little ice cream cone. Dollar Tree has done this before, but this little stripe pattern I think might be new. I thought it was adorable. So if you needed to send a care package or put together some type of gift basket, that could be a cute grab for that. All right, next up, I got this all-purpose cleaner. I've hauled this before. I'm getting it again. This is the Peppermint Sage all-purpose cleaner. This bottle is just so chic. I can't. So it's just a restock for me. So I got that. Then if you watch all my videos, you've seen some of these things because I think I did a shop with me. And I picked up these candies. These two are definitely new. Whereas I think I've seen the watermelon for sure before, but I've never seen the lemonade and I've never seen the green apple. It's just like the Twizzlers. So got those, gonna just throw them in like a candy drawer or something. Okay, next up, I did have to get another one of these rug liners. This is what I use. I should probably invest in like the rug liners that are like the full size of the rug that you're using, but honestly, I have found that this is pretty decent. So, and Loki's always running around and the rugs stay. Like this rug has the Dollar Tree liners underneath it. All right, then I picked up some stickers. Nobody is at all surprised by this. I just liked these little gold glitter alpha stickers. This one I don't actually have at all in my collection. This cute little shabby chic tea party, like an actual tea party, like the table's a sticker, the chair's a sticker. I think it's a full sticker sheet. Yeah, so that's really cool. I got that. Okay, then I picked up these spa headbands. They were so cute. These are definitely new. And what's interesting is this is the most I've seen Dollar Tree turn these around and like do a new selection for us. So definitely go and get these. The polka dots are so cute and it's incredibly soft. You can also use them on your wrists. You know, just like wrap one here, and that way water doesn't like drip all the way down. So there's that. Okay, next up, I did get some of these new planner finds. This is a desktop notepad. So cute. This is something I wish we would see, like new items on a monthly basis, you know, but it's just not very often. Oh, very cute. Yeah, so this is a new little desk notepad. And then this one is the same. I mean, it's called a desk notepad. So cute. Work life, home life. That's very unique. I've never seen Dollar Tree use those terms. So another new find. This item is incredibly surprising. I almost missed it. This is a dog cooling collar. And I got the biggest one that they had. I don't think this is personally gonna fit around Loki's neck. You would think that it would, like it looks huge, right? But Loki's neck is quite large. Isn't that right, Loki? He says, well, they had this in smaller sizes as well. And there's some type of obviously liquid in here. You keep it, there's no refrigeration required. That is wild. And you might want to be careful with that too. You might want to, like, you know, I don't think you want to put this in the freezer kind of thing and then apply it directly to their neck. It just says no refrigeration required. It is cool. It is very cool to the touch. So I don't know, there's that. All right, next up, I picked up this little basket. I just needed an organizer for my office, and you guys are gonna see my office reveal here really soon. So I had to buy like one of those craft carts, and then in the craft cart, I'm gonna have some of these and store things because my desk that I got doesn't have drawers. So I need something that keeps all my desk stuff. So I got that. This is one of my favorite mints now. It's so good. It's like the buttery kind. So I got that. Okay, in this bag, I picked up this Jot just released this. It's just a felt desk tray. What? This is the only item that I've seen in this. I don't know if they have different sizes. I assume they do. Like, why put just this out? You know, Dollar Tree always does some type of collection, so I don't know. This is all I found. It's very cool though. Okay, next up, I picked up these air fresheners, and they are so cute. They're so vintage to me. And I love the whole can opening thing. It like reminds me of cat food. I mean, it's not cat food, but I just think it's so cute. So I got cherry, and then I got lemon lime. So I don't know, put this in the bathroom or something like that. All right, next up, I found this right here. This is called Little Joe. Strawberry scented. It is a car vent air freshener. How freaking cute is that? So you take, this is the clip, and you add it. You have to add it to his little body, and then he slips into your air vent, and then this has strawberry scent in it. I only found the strawberry, but I thought this was really cute. So I got that. Then I picked up the Jungle Animal slap bracelets. This just took me way back. I was the generation where we went to school with this, and then we all got in trouble for using it because we were rolling around class, slapping it around. I even think at one point they stopped making these because I think it was like harming. I don't even know. Somebody, if you remember, comment, let me know. I could be wrong, but it came back. How did we find this at all entertaining? Like, okay, but for hours. Okay, so anyways, you know, you got all these prints, giraffe, zebra. Now let's get into some of my Christmas pickups. My stores are just kind of like getting into it. I kind of feel like my stores are behind because I've seen a lot of people already hauling Christmas stuff, but here we are. So first thing I found is this Christmas cookie decoration set. You get 2 gingerbread cookies. Here's what you get. Those 2 icings and the sprinkles. I thought this was really, really cute. So of course it's gingerbread, so I had to pick that up. Then I did pick up these fabric gift bags, especially the Christmas tree. Did I not get the other one? as well. I thought I did. Maybe it's somewhere in another bag, and it has the glitter on it. I love these bags. I don't know exactly how I want to utilize this, but I want to do something with it, especially in terms of gift giving. I think that'd be really cute. You can also deconstruct this and turn this into a banner. You can just kind of like cut here and, you know, create a banner. So there's that idea. Then I did pick up these books right here. I feel pretty positive they did this last year. I don't know if there's any actual update to the contents, but I do remember them doing books that looked like this, where they had this little, you know, window with the stickers, and then it's just like a little activity book on the inside. There's even these little cards in here, which is really cute. This is great for junk journaling for me personally. I can turn some of this into ephemera. I can take some of these sheets and put it into my signatures. So, but obviously this is great for the kids, keep them busy, have something to do, you know, if you're going on a road trip, or if you want to send this in a care package, always great for that. I did pick up this sign right here. This was in that shop with me. I can't even begin to tell you my obsession with this. I think I might go back and get one more, but the fact that for me, Dollar Tree kept this red, white, and brown is everything. Like the candy canes, the gingerbread. I'm gonna be doing a whole gingerbread thing in that coffee bar back there, and I think this would be perfect to put in there. I am gonna have to deconstruct this, meaning I'm gonna have to pull this piece off because I'm not gonna hang it. So if I were to set it down, you know, it'd be like this. So I'm gonna have to pull the two apart from each other and then like kind of like style it next to each other kind of thing. But I'm so excited for this piece. Like I can't even, yeah. So there's that. All right, now I'm gonna share with you guys some of the cute little ornaments. These are new this year. They're little gnomes with their nose. So cute. We've got these, which is the regular Santa looking hat. You could definitely DIY these as well. If you wanted to add little bows or little pom-poms to the top of their hat, you could turn them into garland maybe as well. They also have this version, which I think this is gonna sell out probably the fastest because he's got a red nose, and yeah, something about that is just very adorable. So I found those. Now prepare yourself for these finds. I didn't realize I had Halloween candy in here, but that was for my Halloween candy haul, and I think that was already in the video. All right, they're calling these ornaments. They definitely look like gift tags to me, but these are brand new. I mean, listen, I have to take you guys the gingerbread route first. As you can see, I got 3 of those. What in the galvanized, and then you can see that each little gingerbread is like an additional layer. So it's like a wood chip that they glued on this little metal tag. And each little gingerbread is, well, yeah, these 3, they duplicated them. But there's 3 different ones. You can see that it is like a little ornament. I lost my ever-loving mind when I saw that. You should just know that. Then we have this option. I like the concept. I think what's throwing it off for me are the colors. Like, I'm not liking this dark brown maroon personally. I think they did this one pretty well, but there's something a little off for me that I mean, I could definitely redo this honestly and repaint if I wanted to. And then we have this set. I think the gingerbread's the best out of the entire collection. Speaking of gingerbread, run to Dollar Tree. Now this is a bonus item, but it was $3. And in my humble opinion, I think that is worth it. They have a snowman option. They have the little red truck and the Christmas tree option. When I saw the gingerbread, it's going right there. This is the only room in my house that I do gingerbread. And I'm trying to lean more towards like red, brown, and white for my gingerbread colors. So I'm gonna try not to even bring in green if I don't have to. Like, this is really kind of what I'm going for. So we'll see if I can pull that off. And last but not least, more bonus items. These were $5 a piece, but let me tell you, I had no problem with that. Vintage decor signs, $5. What? And these, the illustration of these vintage Santas have been around. I don't actually know who the actual creator is of these vintage, this like particular illustration. So it's interesting to me that Dollar Tree has acquired the rights to, you know, whatever, sell these. So it makes me think, come on, Dollar Tree. Now that you have this vintage item like illustration, put it on other stuff. I'm hoping we see that, but this is a bonus item. And it does have the Dollar Tree tag on the back. So I tell you guys this all the time, you know it's vintage when Santa has green mittens, because that's like what it used to look like. You can put these by the fireplace. You can put these in your yard. These are definitely staying in the house for me. And that's gonna be it for today's haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, let me know what from this haul you put on your shopping list to look for. Hope you guys find what you look for. You know how Dollar Tree can be. I'm very excited. Halloween's just around the corner, and I know now we're getting into Christmas stuff, but I'm still actually gonna be decorating for fall. I know that probably sounds crazy, but with all the move and with everything, I'm still gonna throw out decorating videos for fall, so stay tuned for that. I will be switching to Christmas the week of Thanksgiving, so I'm gonna have at least some fall stuff up for a couple of weeks. It's just been crazy trying to get this place furnished and all of that. So, but fall decorating videos are coming. And that's gonna be it. I will see you guys next time. Bye.